The harvesting pass is one of the most important things you can do each year. Micheal Schmidt, the fifth-generation owner of Central Illinois Ag, shares 3 tips on getting your combine ready for this harvest season.
So the first thing I like to do when I get that combine out of the shed is get that operator's manual in your hand. It's a great place to refresh your memory, and as you start to walk around the combine, it'll bring up all those common wear items that you need to put back in adjustment. The second thing I like to do is get the machine opened up, get all the shields off of it, get yourself back familiar with what's underneath them. Look at those long-term wear items. Concaves, rotor blocks, sieves, choppers, spreaders, all those items that are going to make that combine very efficient. The third thing I can recommend you to do is get in touch with your service managers and your parts managers. They're the ones that are going to make sure that you get these combines back into peak performance. If you've got a machine that's a couple of years old, for sure there's going to be some upgrades. Software upgrades on these new machines come out every season. So reach out to your dealer and they can help you get back and make sure you're going to get the most out of your harvest.
Thanks, Micheal. And don't forget, producers, before harvest really gets started, be sure to join us at the 65th Annual Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa. For This Week in Agribusiness, I'm Chad Colby.